She didn't fall out of love. She fell out of respect. And once that's gone, attraction fades, connection dies. You're left performing for a woman who's already made up her mind. The crazy part? She'll never say it out loud. She'll just pull back, go cold, lose interest without warning. But it's not without warning, you just didn't see the signs. So let's get real. These 5 mistakes are silent respect killers. And every time you make them, you chip away at the way she sees you, until there's nothing left but disappointment in a hoodie. Let's fix that. Mistake 1, you explain yourself too much. You over-explain. You justify. You say, I just wanted to be clear. But here's the truth. Men who constantly explain themselves are trying to manage perception, not stand in truth. Every time you over-clarify, she doesn't hear confidence. She hears doubt. And doubt makes her feel like she needs to lead, which makes her resent you. Speak once. Mean it. Let your words carry weight without needing backup dancers. Mistake 2, you avoid conflict. You don't want to rock the boat, so you laugh off things that hurt. You stay silent when something crosses a line. You think you're being chill. She thinks you don't respect yourself. Conflict isn't the enemy. Disrespect is. And when you don't call it out, you're letting it win. A woman can't trust a man who won't stand up for himself. Mistake 3, you chase after pullback. She goes quiet. You panic. You send the hey, is everything okay? Text. You scroll her stories for clues. You start chasing the version of her that doesn't exist anymore. But respect is lost the second you trade your power for her attention. When she pulls back, you pull in. Not to chase, but to resend her. To reconnect with your direction. Because nothing is more magnetic than a man who keeps moving whether she's watching or not. Mistake 4, you overshare emotion without structure. Vulnerability is powerful. But raw emotion with no ground beneath it? That's not strength. That's chaos. You think telling her everything will bring you closer, but too much openness too soon can feel like pressure, not connection. You can share your inner world, but do it like a man who's walked through it, not one who's still lost inside. Clarity before vulnerability. Containment before confession. Mistake 5, you have no code. You go with the flow, adjust to keep her happy, say yes to things that drain you, smile through what you should have walked away from. But here's what she feels. No structure, no edge, no line in the sand. You're not the rock. You're the sand blowing in the wind. And the truth is, she can't trust that. Not with her body, not with her heart, not with her respect. So build your code. What do you stand for? What do you walk away from? Where do you draw the line and hold it even when it's uncomfortable? Because a man with a code, he doesn't need to raise his voice. He doesn't need to argue. His presence speaks first. Fix these 5 mistakes and everything changes. She starts leaning in, listening, feeling safe in a way she didn't even realize she craved. Not because you became more charming, but because you became more certain. Certain in who you are, certain in what you allow, certain in what you bring into a room with or without her in it. Respect isn't something you earn from her, it's something you reclaim within yourself. And once you've reclaimed it, there's one more thing you need to stop doing before it kills the attraction completely. Watch this next. Why being nice is why she's pulling away. Because if respect is the foundation, your energy is the invitation. Let's go.